Hi, I'm Claire. I'm from Nanjing Leading Auto Parts, and here comes our some hot selling products here. And very honored to be here to introduce our side mirror, hot selling MTC5217 for Land Rover Defender 90 and 110. Here comes the main part of our product. It's the mirror part. You can see a very square and round shape, and you can see 3 quality testing standards at the back of the parts, because we always take the quality of products as the most important thing. At the back of the mirror is the 3 quality testing standards that we always make our products to get through. And here comes our road part. You can also see this as a whole body black appearance, because we want it make so stylish and very luxury. It has some weight because it will be fixed by the mirror and the car. We always make products in natural packing, but we still have the inquiries from customers for design one. If you have some needs, please contact us on the homepage.